The Oukitel WP210, while a solid rugged phone, doesn't represent a massive leap forward from its predecessor, the Oukitel WP200 Pro. The reason for this is that Oukitel has maintained many of the core specifications that made the WP200 Pro a powerful and feature-rich device. Both phones share the same robust build with IP68, IP69K and military-grade standard 810H certifications, making them resistant to water, dust, and drops. They are also equipped with the same powerful MediaTek Dimensity 8200 processor, a 6.7-inch Full HD Plus AMOLED display with a 120Hz refresh rate, and an impressive 108 MP main camera. The battery size is also identical at 8800 mAh, supporting 45 watts fast charging. Where the difference lie and why the WP210 might not be considered a huge upgrade is in the fine details and a change in focus. The WP200 Pro was marketed with a unique modular design featuring a detachable rear module that could function as both a Bluetooth earbud and a smartwatch. It also boasted an incredible amount of memory and storage with 24 GB of RAM and 1 TB of ROM. The WP210, on the other hand, appears to simplify this approach, offering a more standard, albeit still powerful package. It comes with 12 GB of RAM and 512 GB of storage, which is a significant downgrade from the WP200 Pro. Price-wise, the WP210 is more affordable with a launch price of under $400, while the WP200 Pro retailed for a higher price point, often around $600 to $800, depending on the retailer. This price difference reflects the change in features, particularly the removal of the modular accessories and the reduction in RAM and storage. The WP210 is a solid continuation of the Oukitel WP series, but it's more of a refined and slightly scaled back version of the WP200 Pro. It offers the same core performance and ruggedness at a more accessible price point, but it sacrifices the unique modular features and the extraordinary amount of memory and storage that made its predecessor stand out. Don't get me wrong, the device also has features like Wi-Fi 6, Bluetooth 5.3, OTG, NFC, and so much more, but it's still not a significant upgrade over the Oukitel WP200 Pro. But anyways, this is just my opinion. What do you guys think? Feel free to share your thoughts in the comment section below. Thanks for watching and I'll see you guys in the next update. Peace out.